Just a few clicks, click, click, and free PayPal money. Sounds perfect, right? In today's video, I will show you how you can get paid to click. You'll be paid for promoting this website, and each time someone clicks, you'll get paid 20 cents for every click. If you look here, you don't even need to have a website to get started. All you need is simply the will to earn money, and you'll be paid via PayPal. The minimum payout is $50, and if you follow all the steps in this video, you'll be able to easily make $50 and so much more. Step 1. We will be using EntireWeb.com. EntireWeb is a free search engine just like Google, and it will pay you per click to promote it, so that more people use EntireWeb rather than Google. To get started, click on this menu button here, and then select Affiliate. Create an account so you can get your affiliate link, which will make you 20 cents every time someone clicks on your link. All you need to do is fill in these details to sign up for a free account. For this part right here, choose your own tracking ID. This is completely optional, so you can simply leave it blank. And right here, for company and web URL, these are optional too. So again, you can just leave them blank when signing up. Do not forget to check this box right here, and then you can click on this sign up button here. Now you can start to make money with EntireWeb. This is what the dashboard of your account will look like. As you can see here, you also get an affiliate manager that you can contact in case you face any issues concerning payment and whatnot. Step 2. All you need to do now is simply follow this guide they gave you, and you will soon be making money. In step 1, they provide you with banners and links that you can click on to promote EntireWeb. If we click on it right here, we get all these promotional materials that you can use completely for free. Now if you scroll to the commissions part, you'll be able to see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you can expect to get for a particular month. Since this is a freshly created account, the earnings will be 0 here. To withdraw your earnings, you need to click on Profile right here and then select Payment Details. Here you just need to fill in your PayPal information so you can receive your free PayPal money. For the minimum payout option here, make sure you select $50. And then once you fill in all the details, you can then click on Save. Step 3. You need to copy your affiliate link and then share it with other people. When someone clicks on this link, you will get paid 20 cents per click. You can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, and social media platforms so that you can get some clicks and make money. But I will now reveal to you a strategy that will enable you to get millions of clicks without using any social media. Go to Google Docs. Select a blank document, and you need to write a brief article here explaining the benefits of EntireWeb over Google. And you need to insert your affiliate link in the paragraph so people can click on it and you can make money. For now, I will simply write this. And as you can see, this is my affiliate link. You can do something similar too. Now you just need to click on File, then Download, and select PDF to download it. Once the download's complete, come over to SlideShare. You will then upload the PDF here. According to SimilarWeb, SlideShare gets millions of visitors every month. So imagine the kind of money you can make by uploading your article here, which contains your EntireWeb affiliate link. Now just click on Sign Up here to create a free account. After you sign up, you can now click on Upload. Now click on Select Documents to upload, and then select the PDF article you just downloaded. Once the upload's complete, you just need to fill in these details, and then you can publish the article. For the title, you can write in something such as, "Is this better than Google?" parentheses free. The free will make sure that more people click on the link. In the description, you can just copy this from Google Doc and paste it here. For tags, make sure you put in these tags. Make sure to put in as many tags as possible so people can find your article. You also need to make sure that for privacy you select public, so everyone can see the article and click on your link.